In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change time zones on your iPhone. You can simply change your iPhone clock to any area time zone of your own choice. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. Select General. On this page, tap on the option of date and time. Make sure to first disable this option off. Then select on the option of time zone. Let's say you are currently in Finland, select Helsinki time zone and it will automatically update. Your iPhone clock will change to your selected time zone. To add multiple time zones, get back and head into your clock app. Tap right here on World Clock. Select the plus icon on your upper right corner to add any country time zone. That's how easy it is to change your iPhone time zone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.